Are you playing with your ball?
Actually knocked him out. Really? You just want to punch her in the face.
Oh, if they battle to win a £1,000 cash prize.
It's full steam ahead to glory.
You trying to make it talk? Just trying to set it off to make it talk.
Smack it harder than that, Casper.
It's a shame you've got to smack them so hard, isn't it? Breasts, what you got? Hey, monkey. Is that your egg?
Her cheating didn't pay off, and she could only manage a score of 18. But she still thinks she's in with a fighting chance of winning.
Oh, quick, get it.
I recommend winning is between me and Dad.
Get it.
Speak of the devil, host number 2.
Oh, does it chase it? Look, what's this?
I'm surprised and shocked.
Who starts the noise of the runner?
He swept into the lead with an impressive score of 23 and is confident of staying in.
What are you doing, Maddie? Let's get your ball. Here we go. What's this? Look. Woo, good girl. Oh. Go then.
She likes the runner, I think.
Yeah. That's good.
And then went downhill as her food suffered the ultimate insult at the hands of Katie.
Monkey. Hello.
Who starts the noise, I think?
Hey, get off there. No, 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 no.
Absolutely hideous.
Oh, careful.
This is right.
Claire scored 18, leaving her tied in second place with Katie. So Dan can only be beaten by today's host, city banker and fine dining snob Stuart, who's not only worrying about his food, but his female guests.
Quick, get it, breasts. Get it.
No, not that.
Yeah. Oh.
Katie's ever so close. Offer of apologies.
I just can't get on with her. I don't like her, and I hope she don't rock my boat tonight.
Breasts, say bye-bye. Hello.
Oh, I won't get a hold my tongue, but it would probably be right at the end.
Hello.
It won't be during dinner.
Are you getting excited?
There's a guy under the sofa.
Yeah.
I'm just got something area. If Claire got in my face,
Okay.
I'm
Get it
highly
first.
likely to tip my whole glass of
Can we
wine
go back on the sofa?
and tell her she's not that posh.
Hang on.
Blimey, it could get messy. Stuart knows there's another battle to be won if he's to walk away with a £1,000 cash prize.
I think the person I'm up against after the first 3 meals is Dan.
Stuart's very, very good at talking about fine food. He's eaten at
Good
some
girl,
very
aren't you?
restaurants.
You're a good girl.
He wouldn't even thought. Let's see if he can do
She's
it.
really.
I think